If you're looking to secure a QR code with password protection in Unicode, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk through the steps and give you a brief yet comprehensive understanding of how this works in Unicode, plus some insights into other software options, so stick around to the end for the best solution. First thing, let's talk about why you'd want to secure a QR code in the first place. QR codes are super convenient, but when it comes to sharing sensitive or private information, security is key. Unicode offers password protection as a built-in feature, which can be a huge plus if you're sharing access to anything confidential. Next thing, let's dive into how you actually secure your QR code. After you've created your QR code, you'll see an option to set a password. This is the simplest step in the process, and Unicode makes it easy to configure. You'll input your chosen password, and that's it. You now have a QR code that's protected, ensuring only those with the password can access the linked content. Moving on, you might be wondering what makes Unicode stand out from other QR code software that offers password protection. The answer is simplicity and user experience. Unlike some competitors, which can overwhelm you with extra steps and complicated settings, Unicode gives you a clean and intuitive interface to get the job done quickly. However, there's one thing to note. While Unicode is great for basic password protection, it lacks some advanced features like dynamic tracking and analytics that some other tools offer. The fourth thing we should touch on is customization. With Unicode, you get a decent amount of options for customizing your QR code, but it doesn't quite match up to some competitors. If you're looking for a more branded, unique appearance for your QR codes, you might find some alternatives offer better options in this area. Now, let's get into some alternatives to Unicode that might be a better fit for your needs, especially if you're looking for more than just password protection. Tools like QR Code Monkey and Visual Ed offer better customization, analytics, and dynamic features, so if you need more than a simple password lock, these are worth considering. Both have free trials as well, giving you a chance to test their features before committing. Finally, I'm going to wrap this up by sharing a little exclusive offer with you. Through our link, you can get an extended free trial of Unicode. But if you're looking for something with more robust features tailored to your specific goal, securing your QR code and managing it long term, there are other QR code tools that might be a better fit for you. These alternatives also come with their own free trials, so you can test them out without any risk. Thanks for watching, and make sure to grab your exclusive offer through our link for the best trial and benefits that you won't find anywhere else.